Pupunta tayo ng municipal ng Masinloc Tourism para kumuha ng permit. Sana bukas sila ng ano namin.
Pag sarado, pues.
Pag sarado, isang option sa Kahua, Caliyah sa campsite. Ilog din pero maganda rin naman. Pero iba yung photo mines kasi talagang masungkal na gubat na bundok. Yun ang kagandahan sa photo mines. Pero kahit masungkal siya, pag narating mo naman yung dulo, sureball yun. Napakaganda at napakalinaw ng tubig sa photo mines.
Another day. Maybe we could call this evening, talk for hours till we're sleeping. Months turn to years when you're gone. No flowers in the fields till you're home. 'Cause I can't wait another day.
Alright, Alaminos na, enter.
Si Drake, Noah.
High speed. Ay, kita mo parang ano, backfire. Tapos sumipak. Nakakuha kami ng RFID sa Easy Trip tsaka Auto Trip ba yun? Nakakuha kami. Ngayon, nag-decide si Macy's alis daw. Sabi ko sige, laban natin itong auto mine. Niligaw kami ni Waze, buti natandaan ko. So may natandaan lang ako na dinaanan namin nung nagdasol kami. Kaya actually doon pa rin naman talaga daan namin. Si Waze medyo pinapalayo pa ako, inayupak na yun. So buti na lang natandaan ko yung huling dinaanan namin. Actually para itong
Itong 7-Eleven?
Oo, ayun yung natandaan ko. Kasi yung pagdiretso na yun, papunta na ng ano yun.
Tapos kumain.
Papunta na ng mga Bulinaw. Parang ito parang bypass road niya.
Oo nga.
Papuntang
Kumbaga shortcut lang kaysa punta ka pa Alaminos. Diba?
Actually, Alaminos na rin nung nalapasan na natin. Ay, daming checkpoint. Wow, daming motor. At tignan mo mga big bike din. Dek-dek
Oh, dami Drake, dami bro.
Oo, mga tropa yan.
Tropa yan, Drake, gusto mo yan?
Dek-dek.
Pili ka, Drake! Kukunin natin, Drake!
Uy!
Ewan,
Ano, Drake, ano gusto mo doon?
Pili ka doon!
Dami
Dami nila.
Parang karera, yung kagaya ng
Mapupunta na ano yan, takot yan.
Again now, you'll be coming home soon. Darling, just chase the
Dito siya. Ilan yan?
Meron pa sa likod natin, oh. Tingnan mo, dek-dek, oh. Ay, hinahamon si Papa, yan ah. Ay,
back in my arms again now. You'll be coming home soon. Darling, just chase the blues.
Yan, magagaling niya.
Mga tropa pits ka.
Ang tropa pits ka din sa ito. Paglaki mo, may tropa pits ka din sa motor. Ha? Ayan, oh. Ang dami nila tropa pits, oh. Atak tayo dito. Pasipatin natin sa meeting.
Back in my arms again now. You'll be coming home soon. Darling, just chase the blues.
Drake, ang dami motor! Parang pinauubos!
Unahan na natin ha. Ayan na, dek-dek, oh. Sakayan natin yan, bilik tayo. Ayan, oh.
You're back in my arms again now. You'll be coming home soon. Darling, just chase the
Tayo, bilik na natin eh. Oh.
Ano mas pala kasi mas pinili.
Ay, malakas to. Malakas na si Black Winnie. Nakatigit yan, nailak.
O, di ba magkano pala?
Iwas yung ilax. Nakabitik ka eh. Naka-high speed na tayo niya.
Parang karera ka na lang ang tao.
Di ba? Layo ka agad nung ilax oh. Balik tayo sa drive G. Yan. Relax lang. Gulat siguro yung ilax. So, gulat yun.
Ay, iwan siya.
Iwan.
Iwan.
Samantalang ang tuli niya. Pasok na siya 120 ka agad eh. Tingin ko, itong mga naka-big bike na itong mga may ano dyan. May mga official dyan. Ito. Nasa likod nila, escort dyan. Hindi ang mga artista o mga...
Kuha na siya. Patingin.
You'll be coming home soon, darling, just to chase the blues. Can't wait another day. Do you recall when we drove so far from home down winding roads with no one around? You said to me we found our town, burning our skin on the beach. To the waves crashing in, we fell asleep. These days that we've shared, I will not ever forget. 'Cause I'll be holding on to these moments like the shore to the sea. And I'll be thinking, reminiscing about these memories. Chase a new day up the Alpine. We watch the sun paint the morning sky. Remember that time when we stayed up talking all night. So I'll be holding on to these moments like the shore to the sea. I'll be thinking, just reminiscing about these memories. Peace, I know. I set out to get you with a fine-tooth comb. I was soft inside. There was something going on. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Tender love is blind. It requires a dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together. Making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing if you got no love. And you did walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing. But that won't happen to us, and we got no doubt. Too deep in love, and we got no way out. And the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry, baby, I won't hurt you never. We started as one, in love forever. We can ride together, making love with each other. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Sail away. Oh, come sail away with me. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Oh yeah. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang lumulong ang luha, hanggang mahulog ang tala. Basta't mo aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako ngayon ay lumilipad at nasa langit na. Gusto mo ba sumama?
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't.
Botolan. Kasi sarado yung kaya nagbawalan kanina ng tourism. Kasi meron daw na parang may nabitak yata na daan. Pero inayos naman na kagad.
Bukas ng August.
Pero yun nga, plano namin balikan na. Sayang. Baka next ano namin. Full year. Sayang.
Can't imagine needing someone so really as it seems to me. I need you more and more through the years.
much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you through the years. It's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, you turn my life around. The sweetest days I found. Through the years, I've never been afraid.
Ay, dito.
I love
Sad.
the life we've made.
You're happy because you are in...
I'm so glad
Photo mines.
Hindi.
I
Dito Cotto Mines. Wala ka sarado yung Cotto Mines. Ito ay, ano ba to? Kahua
the
Camp
Kahua Camp.
River.
River.
through the years. You've never let me down. You turn my life around. The sweetest days I found in you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right here with you through the years. Through the years.